guessing anyone, okay? I'm just going to vote which ones are the best and not. Okay. A green rat, slime, Cerberus, mm, pass. Oh, the drone! They're cute. Smash. Not smash, slay. Can I change this? Okay. Mega slay. Slay. Not so slay. Not slay. No, not the. No, not slay. Wait, I need to do a bad face. How I do this? Oh, it's like this? No, no. No, not slay. Okay. This one is kind of funny. The lines that he talks. But you go not so slay, but you're slaying away, but not totally, okay? The ferryman, he has a sad story. You go there. This one, slay. Because, sometimes he bugs in my game and he dances, so. Not so slay, I don't like you. Mega slay. Gabriel isn't something we can discuss, okay? I'm talking about my experiences with the characters in the game, okay? If I like the way they talk, the stuff, Let's see. You. Oh, come on. Well, not slay. But you're not bad. No, not slay at all. This is not slay. I mean, this isn't that bad, This one. Oh my god, not slay at all. When I was on standard to kill the Leviathan took me so much. Maurice, we even not even going to question. You go there. I don't like you. You're so mean to me. Slay. She slays, okay? She's a slay. This one, not slay, scared me when I wanted to try to kill him. Mega slay minus prime. Slay. She slays. You're kind of fine, so not so slay. But he doesn't do much funny stuff. No, not slay at all. I don't like you. These dude is so hard to kill. Oh my god. This one, it's not so slay, but it doesn't do much bad. The scream that he does when he falls is funny. You, not slay at all. You bad. This one is easy to kill, but it's not slay because he gets the enemies to be mortal. This is a classic. Just goes in the middle. No, not slay because he can. Well, actually, no. Or no, because he deflects my missiles. I don't know what to say, so don't like it. Sword machine, slay. It's hard to kill, but the design is slay, so mega slay. No, he has to be beside Gabriel because they're a couple. You slay also. Slay also. Not slay. So yeah, this is our tier list for Ultrakill characters, okay? So yeah, I have many that I don't like because they were hard. This wasn't hard, this one, but I just go to the design and they're good. I'm not saying they're bad, okay? But some of them scare me, like this one. This one, it deflects my missiles like this dude. This dude killed me so many times. This one gets stuck in the ground and it's hard to kill. P2. Oh, I already got P2. Uh, yeah, Sisyphus isn't here. Yeah, Sisyphus goes not so sly because, his voice lines are sly, but, you know, it's kind of hard, so. And this flesh ticon or something goes here because, isn't hard to kill, but, you know, it just goes like this. So, yeah. I guess it's missing some characters. Where is the fish from the secrets level? You know? Let's see. There's quizzes. I don't know what is this. So, I can't do a tier list on games because I played so few. Does it have Spore? Oh my god, I got to the last one. Wait. No, wait. What did I do? Jesus. Let's see if we find some game we've played. Hmm. Okay. Wait, Pizza Tower has boss fights? I have the game, but I still didn't play it. It's on hold. Hmm. It's there are so many games I didn't play. It was cool if it showed stuff that I've done. Hmm. Oh, dial tone characters. I have still to play this game. I have it also. Oh my god. Let's see. Yeah, I can do a tier list on the guns from, you know, the the guns from Ultrakill also. Oh, cute dog, so cute. I love doggies, they're cute. Okay, there isn't much here. There's much, but many of those I don't even know. Or if I know, I didn't play them, so I can't do much. Oh, wait. There was a weapon tier list there. Best Helltaker characters. Let's go. So, um, I'm characters. What are there? What characters in the background? Okay, you are Slay. Who is this girl? Oh, it's the same one, yeah. But I prefer this one. It's more fancy. UB. Oh yeah, this is a game I played yesterday. I'm just ranking the characters. B also because she's too obsessed with studies. She should rest. This one, nah. You know, wait, there's. Okay, I don't guess there isn't a really bad one for me. She's like. This one, guess it's a B because, I don't recognize her. Oh, she's slave. This one is slave. This one, I don't know who it is. So B. I just played the game yesterday and just forgot half of the characters. Um, I don't know if you are cool, so C. And I don't know if you're cool, so C. Oh, yes, this one is an A because she's cool. This one is a B because we don't know much about him. He just wanted girls, so actually a C or actually a D. This one. Oh yeah, but yeah, probably. And there's some comics of this game, and I didn't read them because there were so many and got lazy. So I'm just going to assume what they are. This one is a D. You know, oh, Slime. These ones are so cute. Uh, B. Uh, B2. B2. Okay, these ones I know I'm not. I don't have any idea who you are, so guess everyone is going here. These ones are the dudes that protect Lucifer, so I don't know you, so go here. It has a cat, Slay. A random dude, don't know. Who is this? Don't know who you are, just going to put you here. I'm assuming this is the dude from KFC, so it's going to be an A. Oh, these are from the comics. Oh, now I'm seeing it. Okay, I'm not going to evaluate comic stuff because I never watched it, so yeah. Let's just do normal stuff. I didn't see the comics, but there's a cat, so slay, and you go slay because you're a dog. And you go slay because you're animal, so you're cute, I guess. This one is an A. Yes, Cerberus is the best one. She's so cute, they're three. It's just amazing. I love that tiny face. It's so cute. I love when the people on chat do those faces. Oh wait, this one is with the coffin. Okay, I prefer her without the coffin, so Twitch. Don't you worry, one day I will add my emotes, but I can't still now add them. What is this? There's some tentacles. Oh, Kitty, slay. I guess this one is these are all from a comics, and I didn't read them because I'm lazy sometimes. So, and I just put what is cute here. So yeah, these ones are the ones that I like the most. These ones are like funny and good, but not so good. These ones were, you know, but they're cute. This one is kind of cute. This one is just, out tired all the time. They're kind of cool, but not so cool like these ones, or extra cool like these ones here. These ones, we don't know much about them, and they're just there. And these is just wanted girls, so yeah. And these dudes here are just because they're not cute. But this girl is this girl. Oh, you know? I'm just putting there because, yeah, they're kind of scary. But yeah, I guess this is the tier list for Helltaker. So yeah, best characters are these. So yeah. And these cute animals, of course. These are the best ones. For me, of course. Let's see what's there more. Mm-hmm. Cerberus is so cute. That's why for me, it's the best one. Alcygels from Inscription. Oh my god, no. Not today, Jesus Christ. That's so much science. I'm not here to evaluate everything now. hmm I should play more games because half of these I don't even know. CSP power. Hmm. Oh my god. Uh, Upcoming ones. These ones are already got out. Well, guess it's an old tire list. There are so many characters I don't even know. Or games. Hmm. Okay, these ones I don't have even an idea where I am now. Hmm. Yeah, I guess I'm going to another category. Let's see. Hmm. I want to go to animals, but let's wait a bit. There's so many specific countries in here. Let's go with dinosaurs, but wait, let me see. Sorry, the whole screen went black when it's on OBS. Don't know why. Oh, my little pony, so cute. Hmm. Oh, look, I'm going to go with the nature. Nature, no, wait. Let's go with dinosaurs because I like them. Oh, these are games. Are based on games. Whoa, but there are so many. Hmm. Okay, let's see. A Crocontosaurus. There aren't. Here's my favorite ones. I like the pterosaurs, but they aren't considered. Did my model just crash? Why? Wait, let me restart my model. Sorry. Wait. Now it's good. I don't know why this crashes, but okay. Why is Godzilla here? Is Godzilla a dinosaur? Dinosaur King, oh my god, I watched that when I was little. I love those cards. They're in the show. I wanted them in real life. Yeah, let's see. Look, let's go to animals. And trust it is what dog breeds? What does has this do with animals? Why is this here? They aren't animals. What? Why is Peppa Pig here? Why? What is this? Jesus. These aren't. Oh, cow, cute. Sorry, identification. Why are there so many of these? I want. Let's go with the birds one. How many are there? Okay. Is there Paco? There isn't a Paco? Bye. I don't know why Paco is so much forgotten. Cryptids! Oh! Mm, well, most of these I don't even know, I guess. Nah. I just know some of them. I don't know every single one. So. Wait. Wait, there's horse. Oh my god, slime. Wait. Let's see best frogs in head. Okay, this is really important. So, slay. Oh my god, they all slay. What am I saying? They're all slay. You know how I'm going to evaluate this? They're all so cute. I can't. You are all slay. Oh my god, I can't vote this. They're too cute. Horse. Let's see. Oh, a Caltech is one of my favorites. Andalusian. Uh, they're beautiful, yeah. Anglo-Arabian. Hmm. This one didn't hear about. So let's put a C. Epiloses, they're kind of beautiful. So these ones are a B. Oh, I love the main on these ones. They're beautiful. I'm not going to put anyone on D because it's so bad. So, oh, Clydes, I like them. Belgian warm blood, the specific one, you know. Connemara pony. Oh, this one I didn't even know this. Off shorts are so sly. French saddle pony. I'm just putting these the best that I like. French saddle breed. Frisian top. I love them. Hanoverian. They're kinda, Oh, love that mane. Whoopin. No. Lipizzana. Goes B. Lusitano. It's the horse from my country. And don't you tell me that it crashed again? Oh my god, no. It didn't crash the model. So Lusitan goes a B because I know it. But Marwari. Marwari goes here. Morgan. I know it too. Mustang goes B. Paint Horse. B. Passofino. B. Percheron Draft Horse. This one goes here. Quarter Horse. Oh, Shire, I love them. Slide. True Breeds. You go here. Tracker, you go here. Sorry, notifications. Welsh Pony here. So, yeah. This is the tier list of horses. Okay, these ones are one of my favorite breeds. These ones I like them, but not as much as these ones. These ones I know. Okay, these ones I know. And these ones I didn't know. Okay, my fault. Sorry, I should know better. But I have figurines like replicas of many animals, and from horses I have these ones here. So basically, when I don't know one, it's because I don't have a figurine of that one. Oh, penguins, sad cats. Okay, let's evaluate this. You go a B. You're so funny, but you're so sad. See. No, you're funnier. This one is just casual funny. You aren't even sad. You're cute, but you don't make me laugh, so you're a B. You're random. Hmm. Oh. C. Oh, slay. Mega slay. This is the same one, but it's more distorted, so. Oh, this one is cute. Oh, this one is sad. Not so bad. This one is a B. And this one is a C. A C. Wait. Why are they? Did they repeat the memes? Okay, yeah, this is the best. Oh my god, I'm doing this so fast right now. Hmm. What is this? This is not okay. Is Paco here? Why isn't Paco not here? Why is his species so forgotten? Oh, cute baby animals. So sweet. Let's just me see the cute animals. I can't vote. These are all cute. Everyone here gets a S of slay. Already done. Hmm. Monke tire lists. They have orangutan. Okay. This is the best Monke ever. This is my favorite one. What are what are you? Alright, I guess. Oh my god, this one screams so loud. No, it's okay. I'm not going to put anyone in here. That's just sad. Gorillas are good, okay, but they can get quite aggressive. Chimpanzees, they look kinda cute, but they're really dangerous, okay? These ones, I don't even know they were monkeys. You go alright because you look cute. I have to put these ones here because they're dangerous. So yeah, this is my tier list are monkeys. Superior monkeys orangutan. Okay. I love orangutans. They're so beautiful. I love them. They're so cute. Yeah, chimpanzees are kinda, dangerous. Not all of them are, but there's some cases, they are really strong. You know. What another one? Oh my god! Yeah, this one is Slayer. Oh my god, Slay. You will see. Oh, Cappuccino Monkey. You go away because you're phony. This one is a Spider Monkey. Spider Monkey. They have a great ability to climb trees, and they have like long arms. They're like spiders. That's why they're named. They're a B because they're kind of cool how they evolved. Look, this one, I don't even know the species, but he looks so exotic. You go an A. Baboon. Ooh, you go see. You're kind of, aggressive sometimes. This one, oh wait, I've saw this one before. I think they eat fruits, and they are kind of cute. I guess I'm going to assume that I saw this. These ones are in an illustration. I don't know them. Sorry. You look exotic and cute. Hey. Oh, this one is I guess this isn't a baboon. Oh, how are the names? Because there are some species in Portuguese. They look so similar. You have, yeah, I don't know, but this one, I guess they have like. Oh wait, I know this one. I saw the commentary. It was so sad. The male one beat the male that was married with another monkey and forced the monkey of him. Oh my god! It was so sad. In a society they're mean. Okay, there are good relationships in the community, but the alpha ones are really bad sometimes. Okay, this one is a chimpanzee. Okay, I think chimpanzees are cute, but there's a problem because they can freak out. Hello, how you doing? I'm doing tire lists. So it's kind of cute. This one I'm gonna put a B. These one are like gibbons, I guess. You're cute. You don't do much harm, okay? Oh, Japanese monkeys are slave. Monkey tireless. Yeah, I love monkeys. They're so cute. I'm ranking by behavior, personal opinion, and looks. You know, these ones, for example, these two here, I know it's just not their slay. I don't know how they are in nature. Oh, the golden monkey. Oh, they're so cute, slay. Oh, this one. Oh, this one is. I did a work on this one. I talked about this monkey here in a job, in a work. This one I'm not sure, so I guess here. Because the orangutan is here, I have to do in order, but okay, since UX is so slow. I did another one some moments before. Actually, it should have more orangutans because there are more species. I am doing by order here. Oh, it is. I think it is another spider monkey. No, no, no. Wait, it isn't a spider monkey. No, it has to be because his arms are really long. You go B. You're not mean. This one. You look like a baboon, but I don't know who you are. So you cute. But I don't know your behavior. But you're cute. Cute. I don't know your behavior, but you're cute. You're cute. You go here. Oh my god, these ones, how are they called? I think they're a kind of gorilla. I have a sticker of this monkey. What was the name of him? I think he was a. Okay, but the side is stylish, so you go here. Oh my god, no, your smile scares me. And in some species of monkeys, smiling is a threat, so it doesn't like us very much. You're cute, but putting a baby, of course, is going to make you put here. But when they grow up, they're really different because I just put the chimpanzee here because it's cute, but in reality, they're quite dangerous. So, I'm going to put here because he's cute, but I don't know if this is when he's adult. So, this one. I don't even saw him. There are some I saw. I don't think this is chimpanzee. Oh wait, no, I think it's a bonobo. Or not. It has to be a bonobo. I saw the commentary that discovered like a species of monkey. They look like chimpanzee. They live close to the area. Okay, but they are divided by rivers. I think this one is a bonobo. If it's a bonobo, it's an A because their societies are quite interesting. Is a I'm going to explain. Basically, when there are fights or they want to make peace, they do plus 18 stuff. You know, love stuff in a way to everyone get along. You know, that's how they deal with business. That's why they're going to go to that category. This one looks cool. This one looks cool. This one I don't even know, but they're really cool. Oh, this is a lion one. They're in dangerous. They're not dangerous. They're in critical danger of extinction. They're kind of cute, but I don't know much of them. So this one you go here. I mean I appreciate all forms of life, but I'm just ranking them. If you see none of them is really bad. Okay, I'm just ranking. Chimpanzee. You go here. You're cute, but you're quite, I saw commentaries about societies of chimpanzees, and they're quite, you know, Jesus. I don't understand much these ones, so yeah. Oh my god, Slay. Oh yeah, I saw the commentary on this one. These ones are, how can I say, they're like a male and they have many females and they go on top of mountains in I don't know in which park of safari it was. That was the documentary, and the male fights for his life to protect him. So it's a Sly. Although it looks like Sly, gorillas, you're Sly. I saw documentaries about them. They really, they really care about their members of the family. These ones are beautiful, but you go here. This one looks cool, but I don't know much about him. This one looks cool. This one don't know you. Oh wait, I saw you before. But I'm not sure, so I'm going to put you here. Oh, you're beautiful, but don't know you much. Oh my god, nose monkey! You go away. I, these are so sly. So tiny! A. Cute. A. Oh my god, this one screams so loud. B. Oh, this one has a cute haircut. A. You are cute. A. Um, this one. How I'm going to rank this one? I'm going to put you on here because I don't know much. You here because you're kind of different, and I didn't see a documentary about you here. This one goes B also. It doesn't look bad. You also go B. Oh wait, these ones I already saw about them. They're not bad, I guess, but they're not too great too. Oh, this one. This one is. I don't know the name of every species. Okay, sorry. Um. Oh, you look cute. You go here. You kind of cute. You mega cute. Well, this one is another spider monkey. Well, maybe I'm getting wrong. Probably there are so many baby species here. Oh my god, this one I don't know much about him. I forget the name. You go here too. You're kinda scary, sorry. And you go here. Cool. So nobody is better than orangutan, okay? Orangutan is bad species. Okay. Orangutans, they are so sly. They're cute, they're amazing. They're perfect, okay? So yeah, this is my monkey tire list. Hmm. There's another one. Oh my god, there are more! These ones are the best ones, just so you to know. The orangutans are the best ones. Believe me. Yes, I did one! You weren't here, but I did one. One question. Do you prefer that I do a video for every single tire list, or do I put all the tire lists in one video? Yeah, it had. And it had, how can I say? The comic characters, and I didn't rank them because I don't know them. So, yeah. Oh, so cute. Monkey. Oh my god, there are so many. Where's the best one? Where's orangutan? This is a bad tire list, doesn't have orangutan. Oh, come on, tell me. I don't know what to do. Please. Oh, spiders. I like them. Is there the biggest one here? I guess, no, they don't have that one here. It's called the Goliath spider. I don't have it here. Or is it here and I'm not seeing anything, probably. No, no, it's not here because it's like peacock spider is mostly one. I'm going to do this one. Ant mimicking spider. Oh my god, I saw documentaries about these dudes. Okay, thank you. I will do that. Okay, now I know what to do. Thank you, sweetie. The ant mimic spider are really sly because the evolution to look like a ant but not being an ant. It's amazing. Black widow spider. See, because no one is going to be on the okay. She eats the guy and they're venomous. Ballish spider. Oh my god, I don't remember about this one. You go here because I don't know you. Brown recluse. Oh my god. I'm going to tell you. These dudes appear in my house, okay? So I'm going to put B. Oh, sorry. I will make them bigger. Thank you for telling me. I needed to know that. You probably, if you have a house and live in the, city or I live in the, the fields or something. These dudes appear so much in my house. They sometimes scare me, but they're okay. They're good people. Sailor spider, they're in my bedroom, and I let them there when I'm taking a shower, so they're cool. Cobweb spiders. Oh, they make amazing work with their webs. So yeah. Diving bell spider. Oh my god, this one is slay. I love them. They created a mechanism to pull, bubbles with air so they can survive underwater. Isn't that amazing? Exploded crab spider. Didn't know you, sorry, but you look cool, so you go here. Fishing spider. What? You go A, I didn't even know you, but you're sliced just for fishing. Floor mimic crab spider. Oh, I love these ones. I love insects that mimic flowers. They're so beautiful. It makes me almost cry. I don't know why I'm crying because of spiders, because they're beautiful. Oh my god, I can't cry because of this. It's because they're beautiful, sorry. Funnel web spiders. Oh, these ones make great jobs in spider webs. Golden silk core waver. They're kinda cool. I don't know. Don't see what's good with them. Grass spider. Never saw you in my life. In image, yes, I saw them, but I guess I didn't see a documentary about this one. So I'm going to put you here because I don't know you, but yes, you look good. Really? Which one? Heteropoda David Bowie. Excuse me? Why is there a spider called David Bowie? But you look fluffy, so you go here. Okay, thank you. Huntsman spider. Oh my god, these ones are really. I saw videos of these ones getting on houses. I'm going to put them on A because they're fluffy and big. I like when they're big. They're beautiful, but they're big. I like to see them, but I don't like to touch them. When these sailor spiders get on me, I'm fine. Okay, they're tiny, they're cute. But when these ones come, Jesus Christ. Jumping spiders, they're cute. I saw some of them in my house outside, and they're so cute. I saw them hunting what it was a fly. Ladybird spider. Oh my god, you look beautiful, but I didn't know you. Just because of that, you're beautiful. Link spider. I never heard about you, but you look interesting. You look big. Mush? What? Nursery web spider. Oh, probably this is one of those that, has a lot of kids. So, but I don't know you much, but you probably have some really interesting biological features, so you go here. Ogre face spider. This one is going to be A. People can think it's scary, but come on, it's amazing how nature made it, okay? I think it's so amazing. Orb weavers. I guess the orb spiders have something in common with the uh, the webs. I don't know. I saw it better when I was in biology in this university, but I don't remember much. Sand spiders. Like these dudes are amazing. They get under the sand, you can see them. That's amazing. They do their job completely well. Scorpion spider. Oh my god, you look cool. A. Spinny orb weaver. Oh my god, these are amazing. Yeah, it is. They look like they're just punching their faces or brushing their hair. It's funny. These ones you have to search about these ones. Spider orb weavers are so beautiful. Really? Oh my god, I love these ones. They're beautiful. There are so many varieties and they are so vibrant and they have like this kind of shape. Yeah, Pam is black, white, and there's red spots. This is like her hair and this is her body, right? Yeah, I see the similarities. I love these type of spiders. They're really beautiful. Spiting spider. I don't know you. Sorry. Tarantulas. Slay. Trapdoor spider. Oh my god. I'm going to put this one in here, but in A. Really? What a coincidence, don't you think? I hope you like spiders as I do. But I have the spiders that I want close to me and the ones that I want far away from me. Okay, because it's weird from nowhere. A tarantula comes from nowhere and crawls in my body. But I'm not going to kill them. I'm just not comfortable with them. Only if I know them for a while, then it's fine. It's like getting confident. Trapdoor spider. Oh my god, I saw these ones. They're really scary. Yeah, that's true. I love them. The trapdoors. Oh, oh my god! I got arachnophobia also, but then I lost it because I started to see the beauty on spiders. So it was. I don't know how I lost it. But trapdoor spiders are so scary. That's why RNA because they dig a hole and they wait. There's someone in top, and they just like do a trapdoor, and they go like they're like, wow, look so fast. Triangular spider, you look beautiful. I love you. Velvet spider, this one looks so cute. You go A2. Yeah, I understand that. I also have that. I don't want them to crawl on me because I don't have control, you know? Oh, I saw this. So this spider here traumatized me. You go see. This one was one of the spiders that traumatized me. I had some couches and I liked playing the. Muffet is a character. I didn't know. Thank you. I need to play Undertale to understand that. You know, I'm going to tell you, when I got scared of spiders was when I was playing in the ground of my home. And what happened was simply there was this. It's kind of big, this type of spider, and they come out of so fast from below the sofa, and it scared me so much. And it was sometimes that happened, you know. But you know, they're here because they traumatize me. Wandering spiders, you go B because I don't know you much, and wolf spiders, you go A because you're amazing also. So yeah, this is the top tier list from spiders, okay? Because spiders are cool.